if I told you a simple poem about the tiger actually questions the creator of the universe? Yes, this is not just about an animal, it is about fear, beauty, and God itself. Today, we are going to analyze the tiger in the very easiest and unforgettable way so that you can understand the figure of speech used in it, rhyme schemes, and hidden meanings, which is very useful for your examination purpose. Stay till the end. I will give you the memory tricks also in this particular video. Let's dive into the discussion. The Tiger is one of the most famous poems written by William Blake. It's short, powerful, and full of questions. But those questions are deeply philosophical. Like, the poem basically asks, who could create something so terrifying and so beautiful in the same time? The poem describes a tiger burning brightly in the dark forest. But instead of just describing it, the speaker keeps asking. He is questioning actually who made this tiger? What kind of creator would design something so fierce? Is this the same creator who made something gentle like lamb? So the tiger becomes a symbol of power, danger, and mystery. Let's analyze the poem so that you can understand the terms used in it. In the very beginning of the poem, we find metaphor. Tiger, tiger burning bright. The tiger is not literally burning here. It means the tiger is glowing with energy, power, and intensity. Think of the tiger as a living being, living fire in the forest or any dark area. The next term which is used by William Blake is alliteration, and he used it in the very first line too. Tiger, tiger, burning bright. I hope you can very well understand what is alliteration. It is the repetition of starting sound, and that makes the poem musical and powerful. The creator used rhymes plus emphasis, making the poem unforgettable so he can grab the attention of the readers too. Repetition. Tiger, tiger appears again at the end. This creates a circular structure, like the mystery is never solved. It is going on and on. Even after all questions, we still don't have any answer. Rhetorical questions are there also. Did he made the lamb? Did he made the lamb make thee? Did he who made the lamb made thee? These questions don't expect answer. Purpose, it only shows the confusion. It makes readers to think deeply and create mysteries too. The poem is full of symbolism. The tiger is the representation of power, fear, destruction, creation, etc. It is not just an animal, it represents the darker side of creations too. The poem is also full of imagery, burning bright in the forest of the night. You can see the glowing tiger in darkness. It suggests that creator creates a strong visual picture in your mind. When I read this particular line, I can visualize the image of the tiger also. Creator the tiger required strength, skill, and intention is the main aspect of personification here. Means what the hammer, what the chain, the creator is imagined like a blacksmith forging the tiger, who is creating the tiger. Now let's decode the rhyme and in a very super meaning. Each stranger follows AABB. Example, bright, the last letter of bright is T, the pronunciation is ta. If we mention ta as A, then second line is closed by night, and again the word is T or ta, means A. After that we have I and symmetry. Both the pronunciation of these words have A, I. है ना. so that it is different from T, and we are giving the name or the word B for it. So the rhyme scheme becomes AABB. Why this matter? Actually, it creates the poem musical and catchy. Easy to memorize. You can learn this type of poetries or lines very easily, and it gives drum like rhythm, rhyme, and heartbeat of or hammering too. Rhythm inside of this poem is also very important. The poem uses trachea rhythm, stressed, unstressed words. Tiger, tiger, burning bright. Sounds like a heartbeat or a hammering metal. This connects to the creation or creator's theme. Here, the real twist come in the poem also. The poem asks, how can the same creator make a gentle lamb and a terrifying tiger? This reflects good versus evil, beauty versus fear, innocence versus experiences. Black is questioning the nature of creation itself. Remember this and you will never forget the poem. Tiger is equal to fire plus fear plus creator. Fire means burning bright, fear means fearful symmetry, and creator means blacksmith's imagery. And the rhyme scheme of this poem is AABB, easy, musical, and unforgettable. If the poem's analysis made you conscious and curious about this thing, you can understand it very well. So hit like, comment, and share so that I can make another piece of lecture for another poem. Thank you very much. Before going on, please subscribe this channel also. It is very useful for the students only. Thank you very much.